You know, this is a country that has come of age in terms of our democratic practice. So if there is proper vetting of some of these cabinet appointees, in fact, since that time happened, I think one of them had some assault cases dropped against them. Maybe that's not good enough, maybe too little, too late. I want to urge our members of parliament, the appointments committee, is it also being set up today?
Yes.
The appointments committee must take this matter very seriously. And I want to ask EAC and other governance institutions to really prove that what the Kenyan taxpayer has put on their table. Some of them have been governors, some of them have been whatever, and in the history, the charges that are supposed to be leveled against them. And I want to ask the DPP as well to cooperate in these matters. We know people at the highest level who got their cases dropped, but the files are still there, and they are subject to this vetting. So Kenyans, but without being unnecessarily abrasive or being punitive in any manner, let us follow Constitution 2010. And those committees of parliament, I want to talk to them now. These candidates will come with big envelopes. They will come with big envelopes to bribe you. If you accept any of them, heaven will take after your case. Because you know this. That's it, now defeating the purpose of Constitution 2010, the letter and the spirit of the Constitution. Candidates clearly should be in jail, and then you bribe them, they bribe you and you give them those appointments. I like to think maybe President Ruto wanted to wash his hands of some of them. Nimepeleka majina yenu, sio mimi nilikataa. If that happens, he will actually get credit himself. Thank you so much.